All right, today's mortgage rates are at historic low levels. We're talking to a ton of folks about refinancing to save money. One of the common things that gets discussed is the benefit of a shorter term mortgage. So let's take a peek at an example to see if it helps you make any of those decisions. We're going to look at a $275,000 loan amount, and we're going to compare a 15-year fixed versus a 30-year fixed. So interest rate on 15-year money today is at 2 7/8. 30-year fixed is around 3.375. Savings there. Total interest paid over the life of the loan on a 15-year term, it's $63,800. 30-year schedule, that's a much bigger number at $162 and some change. All right, payment difference. $1,883 for a 15-year, $1,216 for a 30-year. That's a difference of $667. We're going to get back to that in just a second. Okay, so some of the things that need to be considered first and foremost is, will the household budget allow for this increase in the monthly payment? Okay, if we check that box, yes, then we move on to the part of, let's analyze consumer debt. Are you carrying credit cards or student loans that are at higher interest rates that maybe it would make sense to pay those off before we commit to this payment increase? Second thing is, are you maximizing your savings? Maybe specifically the 401k, increasing your contribution to take full advantage of employer match. Okay, so what we find is people in this category or this situation fall into one of two categories. They want to have that higher payment so that they know this $667 is being allocated each month and they'll manage their budget around it. Or the other camp is they prefer to have the smaller house payment so it gives them flexibility or autonomy to use this $667 maybe towards some of these other items. And then once that's taken care of, then we apply it toward the principal balance to reduce interest over the life of the loan. Okay, so the call to action here is, if your interest rate is at 3.625 or higher, reach out to your mortgage advisor, begin those conversations. You may also want to enlist the help of your financial advisor. If there's still some questions here, they may be able to provide some additional insight to help you make that decision. So if we can help in any way, please reach out. We'll catch up with you soon.